guys, welcome back to X and Yong. Today we are going to discuss about savings on overseas money transfer. As an expat working in a foreign country, most of us will need to send money back to our home country for different purposes. For example, to support our parents or siblings, to pay off financial commitments such as study loan, car loan or housing loan, to pay for our insurance premium or for investment purposes. Basically, there are three ways to send money to overseas. For most Malaysians, even myself, I transfer my money physically to our home country because our country is just across a link bridge. Let me explain how. Upon receiving the salary at the end of every month, we will exchange the physical currency note at the money exchange shops and then travel to Malaysia to deposit the physical notes at the respective bank cash deposit machine. This can be done if it is a small amount. However, it is troublesome to carry a lump sum of money and it is time consuming to travel to Johor Bahru due to the terrible traffic jam. It usually takes about 2 hours to cross the 2 custom checkpoints and the link bridge, especially during the peak hours. It is also a bit dangerous carrying a stash of cash with your hand carried through the bridge. In this video, I'm going to share with you a far simpler way to transfer your money to overseas. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 ways to do overseas money transfer. The second option is through the banks. For example, DBS, OCBC, UOB, or any other banks, provided you have their bank saving account. You can remit your money by walking in the branch or do it by internet banking. By using the telegraphic transfer facilities, you will be subjected to Telex charge ranging from $20 to $30, and the commission fee is based on the amount to be transferred. Other than that, you will also be charged agent fee by the bank that will be receiving your money. The third option is through money transfer companies, for example, Western Union and Instarem. To be honest, many banks and money transfer companies will usually add margin to the foreign exchange rate. There are a few factors that you need to take into consideration when choosing which method to use. Firstly, the margin added to the foreign exchange rate. Secondly, the fee and charges. Thirdly, the duration needed for the international transfer. Fourthly, the minimum and maximum amount to the respective recipient country. Today, I'm going to share with you how to remit money online using one of the money transfer companies. It is called Instarem. We are using this operator because there is no margin added to the foreign exchange rate. Instarem uses the mid-market foreign exchange rate directly from Thomson Reuters. On the same business day, comparing the foreign exchange rate of a bank, this is the rate shown. In this case, let's compare the USD currency rate for amount less than 50,000 Singapore dollar. The selling TT rate is 1.3782. If I am to remit 1,000 Singapore dollar to USD, the recipient will get USD $725.58. This can be done over internet banking without any Telex charge and commission fee. Compared to the Instarem rate, the recipient will get USD $734. This is after deducting the processing fee of Singapore $1.50. It is very transparent as you will be able to see how much you are transferring and how much the recipient will be receiving. The nominal fee is between 0.3 to 1%. If you walk into the bank branch, you'll be subjected to Telex charge minimum at 20 Singapore dollar, and the commission fee varies depending on the amount and the recipient country. If you are transferring money over the internet banking, there may be no charge, but the margin will be slightly higher. In this case, the amount received by the recipient is still higher because there is no margin added to the foreign exchange rate. Thirdly, the speed of transfer is fast. The real-time payment to Visa debit cards enable the money to be received in less than 1 hour. If you have the need to do overseas money transfer on a regular basis, you should start switching to online transfer because it is way more convenient and fast, and we highly recommend Instarem. For those of you who are interested to use Instarem, attached below is the link to sign up. After you have signed up, you can use the coupon code to get $20 joining bonus when you are transferring $500 and above. This is only available for a limited time. Thank you for watching. See you next week.